Hey there, what is going on? I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Welcome on back to the Deeper Dive. It is your host, Luke, and today we are going to talk about Velo protocol as well as some others in the crypto space and what has been going on. Now, while the price is down, many people will create reasons as to why that is and why to be bearish on the market. But the reality is, from a macro perspective, crypto is here to stay. And regardless of what happens in the short term, the long term will prevail and trillions of dollars are headed into this space. Now, on that topic, XRP, XLM, and HBAR were mentioned by NASDAQ. I'll go ahead and play this clip for you now.
So we had these two big clumps of performance, and in between we had to be super patient. It was really a Bitcoin year a lot, although after the election, the idea of smart contract platforms and other growth-oriented digital assets gained favor. They have much more to benefit from a new regulatory pavement. So Ethereum sprang back to life, a lot of other layer ones, a lot of DeFi protocols. So the CoinDesk 20 index ended up 88% on the year. The top performers of current constituents were on nobody's bingo card, right? Ripple and Stellar and HBAR. A lot of the names that were where there was excitement in the beginning of the year sort of switched places. So it was a very strong year, and it really provided a launch pad for 2020.
So as he said, he mentioned Ripple, HBAR, and Stellar XLM, and then he goes on to say this.
Blockchain brought trustlessness to an industry that requires trust. And for institutional adoption, we sort of have to bring trust to trustlessness, right? And collateral management, custody, execution, quality.
Notice those few points he makes just at the beginning there about trustlessness and collateral management as well as custody. Now, keep in mind with Velo protocol specifically, collateral management is essentially built in to the smart contracts with SORA on Stellar XLM. So not only does Velo already essentially fulfill the collateral management side of things for these bank and financial institutional investors, but with that, they bring the trustless system. As Smoke DQG says, what was once dismissed as speculation is now being acknowledged by the very institutions that shape global finance. And we've seen this since 2022. There has been a massive shift in the sentiment in crypto from banks and financial institutions. As he says, infrastructure is being built, regulatory clarity is forming, and as we have expected, the financial system aligns well with blockchain-based solutions that are going to reshape global payments, trade, and value exchange. Things will get moving really quick once regulations are done, so I do think that will be some sort of flip of the switch type of moment, like he documented here from this post on LinkedIn about the Goldman Sachs 2023 Fall Digital Assets Conference. A lot of speakers agreed that a lot of the technology and infrastructure for institutional adoption has now been built, which was an obstacle previously. The flip of the switch now depends on the regulatory approval. And on that note, specifically talking about Velo protocol chose regulatory compliance as a design concept. With Velo, the end of the payments barrier is near, as I say there. How does Velo do this, you may ask? It is done through an implemented compliance framework which not only detects but prevents participants from engaging in AML and CFT breaches. And in order to become a trusted partner on their network, individuals are required to complete a series of qualification audits and AML KYC procedures before being able to issue digital credits corresponding to any fiat currency. Once again, on that same topic of regulations, in Thailand, the cabinet has approved the draft for the financial hub bill, in which it will allow 8 different types of businesses in this financial center, including commercial banking, which sounds familiar to Lightnet, payment services, securities, futures trading, digital assets, referring to Velo in this case, in my opinion, based on the large pre-existing network that Velo Labs has built in Thailand, insurance, reinsurance brokerage, and financial services or related businesses. This bill is on schedule to be approved by March, so it sure does seem like Q2 is going to be extremely big with this bill, the Thai baht handout, and the virtual bank license. All of those are reasons that I'm bullish on Velo, and specifically seeing this come from the cabinet approving that draft, it seems like regulations are just one step closer. And like I say, this is truly only the beginning of a much larger plan. Yes, regulations coming will be good, but the adoption will be even better. And on a final note, Binance is now holding 423 million Velo in this singular wallet, and other wallets holding more have been tied to this one. It is extremely exciting times for us Velo holders, and as well with a bunch of other cryptocurrencies. Now is the time to take advantage. While this is not financial advice and you should not make financial decisions based off of my video, you should do your own research and find out more about this space, because there is so much going on, and big money, specifically banks and financial institutions, are about to step into the game. I'll keep my eye out for anything else on regulations and Velo specifically. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please do smash the like button, subscribe, drop a comment down below. If you're interested in buying Velo, check out Caleb and Brown. The link is in the description. As well, check out Decent Wallet for cold storage. Storing your crypto yourself is extremely important, and I've seen it save tons of people from losing money, so just be safe. I hope you all have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.